All right, it is Wednesday. Wheelie time. Back to work in the shop, guys. Let's do a little review. Here is Merlin with no rear shock, so I gotta put a shock in there. Still gotta go to KFG to get my suspension refreshed, so I'll probably grab the OEM shock that is holding up Emry right now, or grab the OEM DDC shock that just came out of Morpheus. So you can see Morpheus has the Nitron Pro with the remote adjuster right there. Morpheus, ridden by Morelix 717. It will be now 767 with AFM Novice. I gotta get a chain and sprockets on this bike soon. I need to make sure it starts and works. That's one of the next priorities. So this is Emry ECU. So I'm gonna get that plugged in. I'll show you how that guys works as well. Oh, hey Robert, you're back from shoveling.
Yes, sir.
How far did you make it? At another 20 feet?
Yeah, we got, I don't know, I did another 25 yards or so.
Yeah.
Barry's up there, not Barry, Brady. So he's getting a propane torch to blow on some of the thicker ice.
Oh yeah, to loosen it up a bit?
Loosen it up.
Can you grab the camera for a second? I want to show people how I put the ECU plug in here.
Sure.
So here you go. Just no need to zoom in or out. Just
okay.
I'm going to show them. So these are those nice connectors. Tons of pins, huh? And so you got to start with the inside one. And you just kind of push it on, then start with the next one. And then once it's in position, you start to push in these pieces at the end. I don't know if it's going to work for me. Oh, it seems to be jammed a little bit. There we go. So, and then you, boom. See, it locks in, nice. It's a nice little system. And then we throw some zip ties around here, and then this bolts down right here. So there's that. And I got the dash on, Robert, last night.
Excellent.
So you're ready for your drift camera to film your face in your new SR2 Schuler.
I'm not sure I want that to happen.
I got the motor holders fairing stay on, the handlebars clip-ons all ready to go. Oh, coolant. Let me show people the coolant. So I put coolant in the bike, the Angel Coolant Boost. And where did that tool go? I lost my tool. Shoot, because I want to show you how you bleed it. Oh, here it is. I did this once last night already, and it's quite neat how you can see the air coming out. So come down here, Robert. So right here for the water pump. So the coolant is filled right to the top, and what I did was I did this once already, and just tons of air just blurps out of here. So most people don't understand this is the best way to get the air out because the air is at the top of this pump here. Okay, so just come in and listen. Okay. No, so there's no air in there now. So I did it once and that's all it took. But essentially you undo it until the fluid starts to come out. And before it was just gurgling. It's the best way to do it. And then we're going to shoe glue over that because we don't have bolts to safety wire in that spot. So coolant's in it, and I'll throw the Shirai battery in it. We'll get the gas tank back on, plugged in, just loose fitting. And then we're going to... Oh yeah, and then we turn the key, Robert, and hopefully there's no codes or anything messed, and then we can attack the chain of sprockets, possibly subframe. We got to bleed the brakes. That's always a pain in the ass. And start to get this prepped for the trailer. Anyways, guys, my name is Marcel Irnie, world's best motorcycle, Project Morpheus.